Well, hi there. So tell me, how old are you?
How old are you?
1.
One. Yeah. Let's go open this thing out though. Bobby, Grandpa can open it again.
I guess you don't want more.
Oh, one more, Ryder, one more. Baby. Yeah, baby. Let's get baby out. Get baby out. You take out this baby for your rest, huh? Let's get baby out.
No. We have all these toys in our because
Baby. Is baby tied up to the neck? Yeah. Another one that Grandpa. Baby all tied up.